Hello everyone, in this video I will show you top 20 multiple choice question and answer about animation in Android. First question is, what is animation in Android? A option, it is a way to display static image in sequence. B, it is a way to add visual effect to user interface. C, it is a way to play audio file in the background. D, it is a way to navigate between different screens. So in this option, second is true. It is a way to add visual effect to user interface. My next question is, which class is used to create animation in Android? Means by which class you can create animation? A animation, B animator, C view animation, and D transition. So in this option, A right animation class. Next question is, what is the purpose of the animation set class in Android? What it means? Means what is the purpose of animation set class? A, it is used to combine multiple animations together. B, it is used to define the property of an animation. C, it is used to start and stop animation. D, it is used to specific duration of an animation. So A is a right option. It is used to combine multiple animations. Next question is, which method is used to start an animation in Android? By which method you can start an animation? Question A start, B play, C animate, and D run to. Yes is true and A is true. Start. Next question is, which type of animation is used to move a view from one position to another? Hence, if you want to move any view one position to another position, then which type of animation you will use? A. Alpha animation. My next option is scale animation, rotate animation, and translate animation. In this topic, translate animation is used to move a view one position to another position. Next question is, what is the purpose of interpolator in Android animation? Means in Android animation, which type of means interpolator? What it means? A. It is used to define the property of an animation. B. It is used to specific duration of an animation. C. It is used to control the speed and timing of, and it is used to combine multiple animations together. So in this question, my third option is you can control speed and timing by interpolator in Android. Next question is, which method is used to create a fade-in animation in Android? Means what is the means of fade-in animation? So A set duration, B set alpha, C fade in, and D fade out. So in this question, the option is right, fade in. Next question is, which method is used to create a scale animation? What it means? What is the means of a scale animation? So A set scale X, B set scale Y, set duration, and D set interpolator. So okay, so means scale animation means you can find A means scale X. My next question is, what is the purpose of Android animator class in Android? Purpose. What is the purpose of animator class? A. It is used to create frame by frame animation. B. It is used to create property animation. C. It is used to create transition animation. D. It is used to create layout animation. So in animator class, you will use B option means property animation. My next question is, which class is used to create complex animation with multiple property changes? A animation, B animator, C value animator, and D object animator. Means my D option is right. Object animator. My next question is, which method is used to create a head out animation in Android? So then definitely you will use method D fade out method. My next question is, um, which method is used to create a rotate animation in Android? So by rotate means you are saying that A method set rotation. Next question is, what is the purpose of value animator class in what is the mean? Next question is, Means value animator. Value animator means what it means. A. It is used to create frame by frame, create property, create transition, create layout. In this question, maybe A option no, A no, maybe B option is right. What next question is what is which method is used to create a sequential animation? Sequential animation is which type of use? So when I will start delay means the option is right. Next question is what is the purpose of animator set class in that? What is the means animator set class? What is the mean class purpose? Okay, so it is used to combine multiple animators together. It is used to find the property of an animation. It is used to start and stop animation, and it is used to find the duration of animation. My A option is right. Means multiple animation together. Next question is which method is used to create a scale animation in a DAC? So for scale animation, set scale X, set scale Y, set duration, set interpolator. So this option B, option right, set scale Y. Next question, what is the purpose of transition class in a DAC? Transition class. So which type of property you use? Maybe C option is right. It is used to create animation. Next question is which method is used to create a path animation? So path maybe you can use set path. The last question maybe is the last question.